In the United States alone, there are 3.2 million people living with visual impairment, and that number is expected to more than double to 8 million by 2050. XR has made leaps and bounds to improve accessibility for everyone, but it's not without its blind spots. Current solutions that allow low vision individuals to access their environment are purely functional, navigation-based applications that only serve to warn them about potential danger ahead, and they rely on restrictive technology that only performs in controlled environments. We had a different vision. What if instead of focusing on the dangerous aspects of our world, we focused on the beautiful ones? Introducing Ben, a new solution that gives the visually impaired the ability to turn landscapes into soundscapes. Our solution uses a depth sensing camera enhanced with a real-time machine learning algorithm to identify objects and convert them into a harmonious soundscape as the user moves through the environment. Every object in the environment is associated with a unique ambient sound, while haptics indicate whether they are interactive, providing a truly one-of-a-kind, beautiful, synesthetic experience.
Ben stands for Binaural Experience Navigator. Ben is a project of honor for Ben Underwood. He was so famous that even in Poland we know him as a person who used echolocation, the technique from bats and from dolphins. We started this project because we want to allow people with vision impairment or disabilities to use as much as it is possible from knowledge, also from Ben.
We wanted to give low vision people the ability to fully immerse themselves in their environments, not just to navigate obstacles, a way to experience the world's beauty in all of its complexity. We imagine a future where all community spaces have their own Ben libraries of beautiful tonalities, not only encouraging Ben users to participate in these experiences, but giving these spaces another platform to identify themselves and reach their communities. What's more, Ben will eventually have an immersive multiplayer mode where users can interact not only with their environment, but associate unique sounds to the people that Ben recognizes. Ben is designed to be scalable, adaptable, and easy to use, allowing the visually impaired to access the beauty of the world around them in a whole new way. We are Benvision, and we transform landscapes into soundscapes.